Now, good morning, students. Now we'll take the sixth question of exercise 8.2. Now, what does the question says? Show that the line segment joining the midpoints of the opposite sides of a quadrilateral they bisect each other. क्या मतलब हुआ? वो कहता है कि लाइन सेगमेंट जॉइनिंग द मिड पॉइंट्स ऑफ ए क्वाड्रिलेटर. जैसे कि मैं क्वाड्रिलेटर बनाता हूँ, से लाइक दिस. Now I have made a quadrilateral, say A, say B, C and D, and I'll take the midpoints of all the sides. So these are the midpoints. I'll mark this as P, Q, R and S. Clear? And the line segment, now show that the line segment joining the midpoints of the opposite sides like this. I'll join these two midpoints also. They bisect each other. That means they bisect each other. मतलब यहाँ पर शो करना है कि PO is equal to OR and SO is equal to OQ. Clear? Now I'll do the construction. So what I'll do is I'll join like this. That means I'll draw one quadrilateral, that is PQRS. ठीक है? And I'll draw the diagonals of this quadrilateral also, ABCD. I'll join this and I'll join this also. Sorry, like this. Clear? Now here they meet. I'll mark this as O. Clear? Now here to prove, OP is equal to OR and OS is equal to OQ. Now this has to be proved here. Now again, like in previous question, first I'll take this triangle. Solution. I'll take this triangle. In triangle ABC, what we did in the last one, first target is, so I have to show that this inner figure, this is a parallelogram. So I have taken ABC triangle. In this triangle, P and Q are midpoints of AB and BC. तो इसका मतलब हो गया, using midpoint theorem, PQ is parallel to AC and PQ is half of AC. ठीक है? Midpoint theorem. I'll write here. Using midpoint theorem. जैसे पिछले क्वेश्चन में हमने किया हुआ है. Clear? So you mark this as 1. Now here I'll take the similarly. I'll write here similarly. Similarly, if I take this triangle ACD, here also I'll get the same result. I'll get here, that means using midpoint theorem, I'll get SR is parallel to AC and SR is half of AC. You mark this as 2. So from 1 and 2, इसका मतलब हो गया कि SR is parallel to PQ. That means these two lines are parallel. This implies कि PQRS is a parallelogram. It is a parallelogram. So in this parallelogram, see, these two are the diagonals of this parallelogram. That is SQ and PR are the diagonals of this parallelogram. देखिए डायगोनल बन रहे थे, ये डायगोनल्स बन रहे हैं. And you know that this is a property of the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. This is a property of parallelogram. Parallelogram में क्या होता है? Diagonals they bisect each other. तो इसका मतलब ये हो गया, ये रिजल्ट आ गया. That is OP is equal to OR and OS is equal to OQ. यही प्रूव करना ना. So they bisect each other. मतलब ये जो O point है, it is a midpoint of PU, PR and this O is also a midpoint of SQ. यही तो प्रूव करना आपने. सबसे पहले आपने बीच वाली फिगर को प्रूव करना. इट्स ए पैरेललोग्राम. जो पैरेललोग्राम बनेंगे तो ये जो मिड पॉइंट्स बनेंगे ये तो इसके डायगोनल्स हो जाएंगे, इस पैरेललोग्राम के डायगोनल्स हो जाएंगे. तो आपको पता है इट इज ए पैरेललोग्राम, द डायगोनल्स ऑफ ए पैरेललोग्राम दे बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर. तो रिजल्ट हमारा ऑटोमेटिकली प्रूफ हो गया. क्लियर? थैंक यू.